I'm gonna be showing you how to remove this tip trim right here. See this one that goes all this way. It could be a little bit tricky, and how to remove this one also, because I need to replace this with the one on this. I need to replace this with this. So I will be showing you how to take that off. Now it's gonna be better for us starting this to so that we can have room. This mirror doesn't disturb it, but it's better we just take off. We'll relax this mirror so it can hang. We have this space to take this off. So to get this done, there are to get this done, there are a few bolts that we're gonna need to remove. If you look here, there's this bolt underneath this place right here. This is an X, and it's 20. So it's 20X. Yes, so you can see that's a 20X. It's there. There is another one underneath here. Look here. There is another one right there. I don't know if I zoom. Yeah, you see this one right here. The same 20X, I believe. Yeah. So once you take that out, that one should be able to come. So I'll take off this cover right here to release this mirror. Yeah. So once that is off, the mirror is 10, 2 10s. There's a 10 here. There is a 10 bolt here. As we do that, and then we'll pinch this right here. See, that comes out. So we have this on the side, so I can now take this bolt off, take this 10 bolt off, and we'll take off this 10mm bolt right here. So I got it. Is it to go? Yeah, there's another one right here. See, there is a 10 here. This 10 also. Yeah, that needs to go. All right, so this is out. The that mirror is out. So now to take off this piece right here. To take off this piece right here, I told us we're gonna need to take off this tiny bolt here. This bolt that's here needs to be out. This one, and the other one here also needs to be out. This one here. We're using this X screw right here. This X head right here. So we're gonna use to take it off. So that's it. One, this way. It's not, it's the wrong way. Just closing it. Okay. So we'll take this out. Alright. That's out. And then we have this one right here. So take that out. Be careful with those bolts. They could easily get lost. Because I just lost one months ago. So once that is done, now this thing should be ready to come out now. As you can see, this those two, they are out. So I know there are clips. There are clips that are holding it down somewhere. See? Yeah, I said it. See those clips right there. See those clips to keep it in place. these clips right here, they still keep it in place. So take those out. So that's how you remove that, and then we can replace with the other one we want to put there. So next thing we need to do, I want to take out this trim right here, this trim here. Let's take out this trim. This is black. I want to replace it with this one right here. This one is silver. So I believe it's clipped in, and I'm gonna try and take it off using this tool right here. I'll dip it into that edge and I'll pry it. Just want to be sure. This, yeah. So to remove this trim right here, I'm gonna put this tool in here and try to pry it. See, it's like it's clipped into that place, and see, you just gotta be careful. See the way I'm doing it, you just gotta be careful. See, you just pry it that way, and make sure it's very flimsy, so make sure you do that gently so you don't bend it. That thing can easily be, it can easily bend. See it? Yeah, I'm doing it. It's clipped in actually, so you got to be careful when you are doing it. See, just do it like that, step by step. See that? See the way it is? You clip that in. You just keep prying it. Don't rush, because if you rush, you're going to damage it. So you do that gently. You do it gently. See that? Gently. Just gently. Just one step at a time. And then so you do it. You see, you just have to be careful. Do it again here. Yeah, sorry. All right. So keep doing it like that. See, you just keep pulling it out one step at a time till it's done. Don't force it. Don't rush. If you rush, it's gonna bend because it's just clipped into that tiny place. So it's no glue, nothing. Just clipped in. So you gotta do it. Don't rush. Till you're done. So you keep going till, see, again, don't rush. You do it gently, 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 gently. Yep, that's it. So you can see that's done. So this is the piece right here. You can see the groove inside. See that groove? That groove is clipped into here. that groove is clipped into here. That's how it is. So that's how you take that off. You gotta be careful so you don't so you don't mess it up. You see, that's how it is. So that's it, and you can see the edge right here. You can see this edge right here. This edge right here is there's a little pin here. Let me show you. It's a little pin here. It's a little pin in here. Yeah, right here. It's a little pin here. That pin hooks into here, into this hole, so it prevents it from falling off by the time it's inserted. Yeah, the pin is on both sides of it, so you see that one also hooks to this tiny hole there. You see that tiny hole? That's it. So that's how you take that off. So I'm gonna need to insert the other one. I have another one here. I have this one. I'm gonna take off from this other car right here. From this one, I'm gonna take this off also, and I will install it on that one. So once I've opened that place, the next thing is take this, and I'm gonna just use it to pry this open right here. I'll just pry it. Do it gently, just like I did on the other one. Do it gently, otherwise it's gonna bend. Gently. You do this very gently. Do this very gently. Do this very gently. That's it. Now this is out. So now we're gonna put this back on this one, and to do that, remember this hook right on this corner, the hook on that corner. We're gonna put that right in. So what I'm gonna do, to take this, insert that hook into we insert that hook into that place. See the hook I'm talking about? This tiny hook right here. This one right here. See that black thing? Yeah, that one. That this one right here. This one. Yes, that goes into here, into this hole. So you make sure you sit it properly. Sit it properly. See, make sure it hooks in. You press it down. You press it down and let it sit into there. Okay. Now once that is in there, push it in a little bit this way. Push it in very well. You come to this end here and make sure that you insert the one here, this other one here. Insert it into this hole also, right here. See that tiny hole? Insert it there. You pull this towards you a little bit, you know. Pull this towards you a little bit, like I'm doing. You pull it towards you, pull it down, push it down, and push it in. See? To stay. Alright? Now this is in on this side. This is in on this side. Alright? Now again, what I did, after inserting this in here, I pushed it in. Then I came to this side. I pulled this towards me, push it in this way, and then I pushed it in. I pushed it in, so it stayed there. All right. So then the next thing is this one. You just need to just clip it in, push it, because that's a groove. You just do it, make sure it sits into the groove. That's all you need to do. You do that all the way to the top. See that? See? You don't need to use a hammer. Your hand can do it, unless you have a little wooden mallet or something. See? You just do that. Now this trim is now in, as you can see. That's where is it? That's how you install that. So next, let's put this trim back in there. Right? Okay, so next I want to put in this trim right here. Now there's supposed to be some clips here, 1 2 3 4, which are white clips, but this white clip right here, this one's right here, yeah, but they're so brittle, they're broken, so I'm not gonna put them in your own case. If you want, you can put sealant, silicone, or maybe sealant there, but I'm not even gonna do that here. But I believe the bolts, there are 2 bolts here, there's one here, there's one here, and I think those 2 bolts should be good enough to hold it. So I'm just gonna set this one right here. You see, I'm just gonna set it back where it's supposed to be, just right there. You see, once that is seated there, one here, then I take these 2 X screws. These are 2 X screws here. I'm gonna take these 2. I'll put one here. There's one right here, and there is another one right on this end there, right here. So once we do that, I think we should be good to go. All right. So let's do it. This one right here. We'll put one here. We'll put in it. So right here. All right. One. This one. The other one here on this other hand. Put another one here, which also should be good right here. Yeah. So another one right here. Go for okay, so this one right here. Okay. That's done. And here also. Once that is in, yeah, your stuff is in. That's it. So as you can see, the trim is back in, and then the one on top also is back in, and that's how you install your trim right there. That way. Yeah, you can put back the mirror, and that's it. That's simply how you do it. See you in the next video.